In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste text on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you have seen any text or post on Threads and you wish to copy and even paste it maybe on your profile or elsewhere, it's pretty simple. First, open your Threads account and find the text you wish to copy. So for my case, I wish to copy this text or this post. So I just tap on it, and once you have opened it, now you can just long press on the text, anywhere on the text, and you should see copy text. If you tap on copy text here, you will now have copied. You can now proceed and paste it anywhere. For instance, if I want to paste it under my account, I just go to compose a new thread and then tap on this paste icon, and as you can see, I'll have copied it successfully. I can now proceed and tap on post to publish it on my profile, and as you can see, it has been posted, and now I can see it from here. So that's how you can copy and paste text on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.